Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how we can simply switch weapon delay in Call of Duty Modern Warfare. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Call of Duty, then just click here on options, and when you're right here, you're gonna see on the keyboard and mouse and weapons and equipment, and you're gonna see here switch weapon minimum delay, and what you want to do is just change it to whatever number you want. So that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support. You know how it works. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody, and have a great day and goodbye.